first grade. Today's math we did do, we have a new or a regular worksheet that we usually did in school. Our video today is going to do a practice problem, talking about 1/4. It's a word problem, and then we're going to talk about something new, which isn't on your worksheet, but it's something we need to talk about a little bit. It's on fractions. So good luck today and have fun. Okay, we're going to start with a review problem. We've done some of these before, but I wanted to remind you of what it looks like. So let's read this problem. It says, I saw 12 deer in the woods. Then 1/4 of them ran away. How many ran away? Now remember, really important part right there is 1/4. That's a fraction we learned, and it means that we need to split something up into 4 equal pieces. So there are 12 deer, so I'm going to start by drawing circles for the 12 deer. Okay, there's my 12 deer. Now 1/4 of them ran away, so that means that I need to split these 12 into 4 pieces. So you know what Mrs. Denny always told you when we were in school is start by splitting them in half. So I know what's half of 12. It's 6, so I'm going to split it right there. So I should have the same on each side of my separating stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 on each side. Now I need to split each side up in half again. So half of 6 is 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So one piece of my 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, this one piece, how many deer are in that group? 3, right. So 3 deer ran away. This next part is just for fun, and it's something new we haven't looked at before. It's fractions. So right here, this one shows us 1 whole. Now they put a 1 over 1, it means 1 whole. It's a whole piece. Now look at all of these are the same size. Now this green one right here, you can see there's 1, 2 pieces. And we know that fraction, it's 1/2. Next, we split it into 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we call that 1/3. Now look at the 1/2 and the 1/3. Which pieces are smaller? Right, the 1/3 is. And look what happens next when we do 1/4. We already learned this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and the pieces keep getting smaller. So when I split it into 5 pieces right here, that's 1/5, and my pieces get even smaller. Then I go to 1/6, and we skipped 7 and went to 1/8, 1/10, and 1/12. Look at how tiny the pieces are when we split it into 12 different pieces. So when your number on the bottom, which is called your denominator, that number, when it gets smaller or bigger, the pieces get smaller. So when it gets big, the pieces are small. And this is not on your work today, but it was something I wanted to introduce you to.